Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send WhatsApp message on Zoho form submission using AI Sensei. So here I'm running a real estate agency and I have listed properties, and now what I want to do is that I have already created an inquiry form by using Zoho forms. Now for every inquiry that I'm going to receive through that form submission, I want to automatically send a personalized message on WhatsApp to that particular inquiry. So here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use AI Sensei, and here for doing this automatically, I need to build a connection between Zoho Forms and AI Sensei. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Zoho Forms, then automatically by using those details, I'm going to send a message on WhatsApp by using AI Sensei. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send WhatsApp message on Zoho form submission using AI Sensei. So as the owner of a real estate agency, I want to enhance my client communication process, and by integrating AI Sensei with Zoho forms, I can automatically send a WhatsApp message to potential buyer immediately after they submit an inquiry form in Zoho forms. So by this way, I can thank them for their interest and provide them with more information about their properties, and it will be ensuring they will feel valued and engaged right from the start. So this not only improves my response time, but also helps me build a stronger relationship with my client. So here what I want to do is that I have already created an inquiry form, and now whenever someone fills out that form for any of the property, then automatically they can fill that form, and as I'm going to receive a new form submission, then I will send a personalized message by using AI Sensei on WhatsApp. So here I just have to build a connection between Zoho Forms and AI Sensei, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to connect Zoho Forms with AI Sensei without any coding and programming skills, and for every new form submission that I'm going to get through Zoho Forms, I will send a WhatsApp message on AI Sensei to that particular form submission. So here I'm going to connect these applications, and for that I need to open a new tab, and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in, and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp message on Zoho form submission using AI Sensei. And now I need to click on Create, and this will direct us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to first search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Zoho Forms. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Zoho Forms here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new form submitted will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select that. And I need to connect Zoho Forms with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Zoho Forms and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I need to take you to my Zoho Forms account. Now here in Zoho Forms, I have this inquiry form that is named as PC Connect. Now I want to connect this form for every form submission, and I want that detail to be sent to Pabbly Connect. So for connecting this, I need to go to Edit, and here in Edit, I need to go to Integrations, and in integrations, I need to find webhook. So here this is the option of webhook, so I'm going to open that. Now here in webhook, I need to first add my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here, and now I have added my webhook. Now here I have to give my content type. So I need to open this tab, and here in this tab I have all the option of content type, but we need to select this option of application/JSON to send the data to Pabbly Connect in this particular format. Now we have to fill the payload parameters. So here we need to first select the field that we have in our Zoho forms, and we need to match that with the required details. So here I have already added the payload parameters, and I have added my webhook URL. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully added my webhook in my Zoho form. Now that I have added my webhook, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to first create a new form submission in Zoho Forms. And as I'm going to create a new form submission, then automatically the data of that form submission will be sent to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to get that response here in this tab. Now I'm going to take you back to Zoho Forms. I'm going to access this form. And here this is my Zoho form, so I need to fill this form with the new inquiry detail. So here I have to first give the name of my lead, that will be Michael. Last name will be Karas. Email will be michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. And I need to select that property that I'm looking for. So I'm going to select rental property here. And now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my Zoho form. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of all the details that I have filled in my Zoho form, and I have received those data here in Pabbly Connect. So here I have received this response, and here I have all the detail of my form submission, like I have the first name that is Michael, I have the last name that is Karas, I have the random phone number of my lead, I have the email address that is michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com, and I have the type of property that my lead is looking for. So the property is rental property, and now I have received all these details of my form submission. Now that I have received the form submission detail, what I want to do is I want to use all these details, and automatically by using those details, I want to send a personalized message on WhatsApp by using AI Sensei. So here for sending a message on WhatsApp, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. And here I need to use AI Sensei, so I need to search for that. And here I need to select WhatsApp by AI Sensei as my action application, so I'm going to select that. And now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select that. Now I have to connect AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect, I need an API key. So this API key is going to be my API token. And for getting this, what I need to do is I need to first log into my AI Sensei account. And after logging in, I have to navigate to manage section where I will find the option of API key, and I need to generate my new API key. So for getting the API key, I need to take you to my AI Sensei account, and here in AI Sensei, I'm on this manage section. Now in manage section, I have this option of API key, so I'm going to open that. And here this is my API key. So I need to first regenerate this key. I will click on confirm. And here I have successfully generated my API key. Now I'm going to copy this key. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of API key. Now I have successfully filled this key, so I'm going to click on save. And I have connected AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect. Now here for sending a message on WhatsApp, I need to first create a live campaign in AI Sensei, and by using that campaign, I can send the messages on WhatsApp to all my lead. So here for creating a new campaign, I need to take you back to AI Sensei. And here first for creating a new campaign, I need a template. So here I have this option of template message, so I'm going to open that. And in this I will go to all, and here you will see all the template messages that you have created in AI Sensei account. And for creating a new template message, you need to click on this new button, and you need to follow all the instruction. And after that, you need to customize the message that you want to send to your leads. So after customizing the message, you need to first take the approval of your template by AI Sensei, and you will see your templates like this. So here I've taken the approval of this particular template of property inquiry. So I'm going to show you this template, and this is going to be my template that I'm going to use in my campaign. So in this template, I have added this variable. This is going to be the variable of my lead name, and this is going to change according to the lead or the response that I'm going to receive through Zoho Forms. Now here that I have my template message, I need to add this in my campaign and I need to set my campaign live. So I'm going to close this. I will go to campaigns and here I'm going to create a new live campaign. So I'm going to click on this launch button and here I'm going to use API campaign. So I'm going to click on next and here I need to first give my campaign name. So here my campaign name is going to be real estate lead messages, and now I need to search for my template that I want to use in this particular campaign. So I'm going to search for my campaign of property inquiry and here I'm going to select my template. Now here I have selected my required details, so I'm going to click on set live and I'm going to go to my campaign and here I have created this live campaign. Now that my campaign is live, what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect and here first I need to give my campaign name. So here I'm going to type my campaign name and here this was my campaign name, that is real estate lead messages. Now what I need to do is I need to first give my customer name or my lead mobile number so that I can send the message on WhatsApp to that particular lead. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my response of Zoho Forms and I'm going to use that response so that I can map the detail here in these tabs. So simply by using those responses, I'm going to map those details here in these tabs and I'm going to use mapping for that. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open the response of Zoho Forms and here this is the phone number or the mobile number of my lead. So I'm going to map this and on this particular mobile number, I'm going to send my WhatsApp message. Now I need to scroll down and I need to give the username of my lead. So I'm going to again click here. I will open the response of Zoho Forms and this is the first name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now I have given the username. So I have these other tabs of source, tags, template parameters, attributes, URL and the file name. But these are all not the required details. I only need to fill the template parameter, which is my field for my variable. And in my message template, I only have one variable, which is of a lead name. So here to fill that detail, I'm going to map my lead name. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Zoho Forms. And here this is the first name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now here that I have filled the template parameter and I'm not going to fill these other details here because these are not the required details. But if you want to fill these details, you can do that too. So here I have filled all the required details and I have mapped these details here. So as I mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response of a form submission from Zoho Forms and I'm going to get my new inquiry detail, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new lead detail or the new inquiry detail in the real time, and I will send the new WhatsApp message to that particular inquiry or the lead. Now that I have mapped all these details, I will scroll down and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have automatically sent a WhatsApp message to my lead who has submitted my Zoho form. So to check whether I have received this message on WhatsApp or not, let me open WhatsApp. Now here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this and here this is my message, that is, hello Michael Karras. Thank you for your interest in our property listings. I'm demo user from Pabbly Properties. I'd be happy to provide you with more information about the property you inquired about. Could you let me know if there are any specific details you would like to know, such as the price, location, amenities, or available viewing times? Please feel to reply to this message or call me directly at this number. I look forward to assisting you in finding your ideal property. Warm regards, Team Pabbly Properties. So here we can see that this was my template message that I've added in AI Sensei, and automatically by using that template and my campaign, I have sent this message to my lead who has submitted my Zoho forms. So I have successfully connected Zoho form with AI Sensei, and through Zoho form submission, I'm receiving the inquiry detail of my real estate properties that I have listed on my website. And as I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically I want to send some personalized messages on WhatsApp to that particular inquiry. So for every new inquiry that I'm going to receive through Zoho Forms, then automatically I will send a message by using AI Sensei on WhatsApp to that particular Zoho Form submission. So here I have successfully created this automation between Zoho Forms and AI Sensei, and I have connected this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I have successfully connected these two applications and I have set up this automation with Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected Zoho Forms with AI Sensei to send WhatsApp message on Zoho Form submission using AI Sensei. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Zoho Forms and my trigger event was new form submitted. Then I have set up my action step and my action application was WhatsApp by AI Sensei and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.